Hey everybody out there on YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it does help out my channel. And in this video, I want to quickly go over what I recently discovered as a fix for Apple CarPlay in my Honda Ridgeline should it start acting up. And for the most part, it's been pretty flawless. I haven't had any issues for the last 9 months until 2 days ago when it just wouldn't connect, and no matter what I did, it didn't work. So let's talk about it and let me show you what I did to finally get it working again. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at the dashboard of my 2024 Honda Ridgeline, the infotainment center. And what happened was yesterday morning, I got in my car, everything connected. I pulled up my maps and I used my phone for GPS, and I got to my destination, and then when I came out and I tried to reconnect, it just refused to connect. I tried shutting the car off and restarting it. I tried shutting my phone off and turning it back on again. Those things didn't work. So later that day, I came home and I tried a few other things. They didn't work. I tried it repeatedly over and over again. But the first thing I tried, so if you come onto your home screen, you click on Bluetooth, go to connect device, right? And up here in options, the first thing I did was I went to the Bluetooth setting and I tried toggling that on and off again. That didn't work. I did the same thing on my phone. I tried toggling it on and off again. It didn't work. Then I went in again, and I got to remember how I did it. I believe I went... Gosh, I don't remember how I did it. But anyways, what I did is I deleted the device and repaired them. On my phone, I did that. And then I also did that on the entertainment center. And it did not work. I finally did a hard reset on my phone, thinking maybe it was a software issue with my phone because Apple did just release a new software update. That didn't work. I tried shutting off the radio and turning it back on again. That also did not work. So I gave up. I went to bed frustrated. I woke up again today. I tried all those things all over again. But then I discovered, what if I reboot the system? There's got to be a way to do that. So I went in my house, I Googled how to reboot or restart the system in a Honda Ridgeline. And so what I discovered is if you go here, actually, let me go back. I got to remember how to do this now. I had to go to settings, general settings, and then you come down here to system settings, I believe. Yes, and then you go to factory reset, and then you hit continue. And I don't want to do this again because I already did it, but you hit continue. You hit continue again, and it will reset your infotainment to factory settings. And before you do that, however, I want you to delete your Ridgeline or your car from your iPhone and then turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. And doing that, after you reset your factory system, when you turn it back on again, then turn your Bluetooth back on your car, repair your phone, and voila, it worked again. My Apple CarPlay is back. I've got my maps. I've got my phone. I've got it all. I've got my music, which for some reason doesn't want to show. I've got my phone. I've got my contacts, my keypad. Everything is back. So the key to fixing this was to do a factory reset on the actual infotainment system. And this may or may not work for you. It did work for me. The only downside is that when you do that, you lose any presets like radio presets. And, if you have like your widgets or your apps in a specific order, you might want to take a photo of that before you do it because you'll lose like the layout of the way you have things set up, and you'll have to reset up your thing again. But your infotainment again. But with that said, let's turn the camera around and wrap this up. Okay, so like I said, this is not a super technical tutorial. I just wanted to give you some info on what worked for me to get my Apple CarPlay working again after it stopped. Just reset or reboot your factory infotainment system, and that should do the trick. I would still try the other things first. I would try, deleting and repairing your phone to see if that works first, because it might be easier. But if all else fails, do a factory reset on your infotainment system. That should do the trick. I hope this helps. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video.